In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. If you need a break from social media without losing your photos, followers, or messages, deactivation is a safe, reversible option. It hides your profile, posts, comments, and likes until you sign back in. You'll need the Instagram app and your account password handy. Start by opening the Instagram app and heading to your profile. You can do that by tapping your profile picture at the bottom right of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look to the top right and tap the three horizontal lines to open the menu. This brings up your settings and tools. From here, select Account Center. This is where Instagram and Facebook manage shared settings under Meta, so most account level controls live here. Inside Account Center, tap Personal Details. This section stores your name, contact info, and important account controls. Next, go to Account Ownership and Control. This is the place for major actions related to your account status. Tap Deactivation or Deletion. You'll see options to temporarily deactivate or permanently delete. For our purpose, we're focusing on deactivation, which you can undo at any time by logging back in. If you have more than one account connected, choose the Instagram account you want to deactivate. Double check that you've selected the correct one, especially if you manage multiple profiles. Now, tap Deactivate Account, then Continue. Instagram will ask you to confirm your identity. Enter your Instagram password and tap Continue again. If you can't remember your password, use the Forgot Password link to reset it before proceeding. You'll be prompted to choose a reason for deactivating your account. Pick the option that best fits your situation. This helps Instagram understand why people take breaks, but it won't affect your ability to return later. After selecting a reason, tap Deactivate Account to finalize. Once it's done, your profile and content will be hidden until you sign back in. Keep in mind that direct messages you've already sent may remain visible to others, and you might be limited to deactivating only once within a short period. If you don't see these exact options, make sure your app is updated to the latest version, as menu labels can change slightly over time. To come back, simply open Instagram and log in with your username and password, and your account will be restored just as you left it. If this tutorial helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more straightforward Instagram tips and step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching and take care.